In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter E.
uh, 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 e, e, e,
Blending sounds.
uh, uh, uh,
Label, novel, level, camel, vowel, model, travel, chapel, cancel, batten, lemon, button, cotton, dragon, canyon, ribbon, common, lesson, atom, venom, random, custom, bottom, wisdom, seldom, fathom, kingdom,
e, e, e,
event, elect, exact, effect, eject, evict, begin, relax, resist, depend, develop, recess. Good job. Bye.